Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone is doing wonderful. Springtime is coming. I hope you guys getting ready because the spring is right here. So I hope you start germinating your seed. I hope you start basically getting your plants them together because I believe this will be a wonderful year in the garden. So I just want to show you guys some other seeds that I get for my garden. I believe if you're doing gardening, just do it the right way and done. Plant as much as you can within that season, because every time that cold weather come on, we have to yield. So what I'm saying is try to plant as much as you can. So now I'm going to show you guys my another collection that I'm going to add to the garden as well. So we're going to start over here. That is cilantro, zucchini, we have sage, we have pepper, we have eggplant, we have bok choy, and guess what, guys? I ain't forgot the buds. These are very good for the buds. So you cannot forget the buds. You have to feed the buds as well. Also the butterfly, these plants, these flowers will draw a lot of butterfly to your garden, so it will help pollinate your garden. All right, so I have dill, I have pumpkin, I have two different kind of squash, spaghetti and waltham, butternut. To the top here I have 3 different lavender. Remember guys, we have mustard, we have the mustard, we have the English, and we have the Chew. So that's 3 different lavender. Remember guys, lavender is a herb as well. Lavender, you could use lavender and make oil. So don't forget these things. And guess what? Lavender come back every year. So if you plant them, take good care of them, they will come back the following year. So that's a wonderful thing. Down to the bottom, more flowers. Flowers look so beautiful. Over here we have zucchini, we have sage, we have lettuce. Let me come over to this end right over here. We have cucumber. This kind of cucumber I never planted before, but I'm going to try this here. We have watermelon. I recommend if you plant in watermelon, make sure they give you seeds or able to provide seeds. I'm not sure about the seedless one. We also have Swiss chard. We also have eggplant. You know, it's a lot I have. So all these seeds, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to plant all these seeds, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to sow a little of everything. Because if I sow all these seeds, there will be a lot of land I got to plant on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just sow a little bit out of each other. And then, so I hope you guys will be looking at this, because I'm going to have a lot of beautiful plants in the garden this year. All right, so I hope you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell for the update of when these seeds start growing. All right, peace.